guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Stock Broc. Today I'm going to be going over a stock that has gone up over 50% this year, and in the past 3 years it has gone up over 1,300%, and kind of dive into what this stock does or what this company does and if this is a buying opportunity or possible future opportunity. So the stock is Vertiv. VRT is the ticker. Has absolutely exploded, over 50% return this year, a jaw-dropping return of 1,300% plus over the last 3 years. But is there still room to run for this AI infrastructure play, or is the market getting ahead of itself? Let's break down the real story behind Vertiv. All right, so let's first break down what Vertiv does. Vertiv is a global leader in data center infrastructure. Think of power, cooling, and management systems that every AI server rack needs and Cloud Center relies on 24/7 to operate.
The world depends on data we power and cool. From AI solving food shortages to building entire smart cities. From life-saving discoveries to digital twins modeling the future. We are critical to unleashing AI's potential, accelerating the pace of technology. Our adaptable solutions and scalable breakthroughs at speed and volume deliver optimization, resilience, and efficiency. In the face of rapid innovation, leading chipmakers turn to us to co-create, redefining the limits of densification and raising the bar for accelerated compute. Our uniquely strong and scalable service capabilities deliver anytime and anywhere. With our comprehensive portfolio of leading technologies, we're solving complexities of the AI revolution, enabling visionaries to navigate the future on roads we build, going to unimaginable places, breaking through barriers once deemed impossible, protecting the world's most precious asset, our collective ingenuity. Because at Vertiv, we make data limitless.
Because all these data centers require a lot of power and cooling systems to make sure that power doesn't overheat and the power is suitable. As demand for artificial intelligence soars, so does the demand for robust, energy-efficient data centers, which is exactly Vertiv's sweet spot. All right, so a quick 2025 snapshot for Vertiv stock. VRT is trading at a level of about $160 per share, near all-time highs. Market cap now exceeds $61 billion. Year to date, the stock is up more than 50%. Over the past month alone, it's gained 12%. Earnings per share is $2.09, resulting in a PE ratio of 76, which is very expensive, but let's explore why it's so expensive. All right, so what's fueling the surge in the sector? Global shift to AI. Cloud has created a data center construction boom. Hyperscalers, think of Microsoft, Google, Amazon, have ramped up spending commitments by hundreds of billions of dollars, fueling Vertiv's massive order growth. There are also recent announcements with strategic partnerships with Hitachi and OpenAI that basically is driving the narrative that AI spending is just in the beginning stages. There's also been analyst upgrades. Multiple major firms, including Barclays, Goldman Sachs, have hiked their targets and ratings for Vertiv, spotlighting its critical AI infrastructure role in the current environment. These upgrades led to a recent surge in the stock price. Now we're going to look at some of the financials and outlook for the business. Q2 revenues were up 35% year over year. So Wall Street expects earnings to surge 34% in 2025 and another 25% in 2026. Some of the risks include for Vertiv is tariff-related costs, possibility that large cloud players with massive amounts of money could develop their own in-house power cooling solutions, which is very possible. Now we're going to look at the valuation. A PE of 76 plus. Expectations are very high for this business. So analysts typically see a fair value of around 157 per share, just below current levels, signaling the stock could be priced almost perfectly for current growth expectations. And we are in a spending boom for AI infrastructure at the moment. What happens when we're not in that spending boom? All right, so should you buy Vertiv now? Bull case, Vertiv is at the center of the global AI build-out at the moment, a powerful secular trend with many years to run. but how many? Bear case, sky high valuations and any cooling in AI data center demand could really cut back their earnings. Think of tariffs or custom solutions from cloud heavyweight players like Microsoft, Google, Amazon. Could also hit that stock price very hard. One of the pro strategies you can do here, not financial advice, look for options plays for exposure at a discount, like selling puts or spreads to get in below the market price. All right, so now to dive into the closing thoughts, Vertiv does check a lot of the boxes for a big AI infrastructure play, but this success and story is priced in to perfection. And if you believe for years to come for this sustained AI field data center growth, this could be a great play for you. But if you're on the opposite side and you think that we're in a bubble, possibly wait on the sidelines for this one. Vertiv is a core name to watch or own, but as always, weigh the risk, do your homework, look at the valuations, and watch the customers, how they are reacting. And one of the big risks that I see is the big players making their own solution for this certain problem. Thanks for watching. This is Stock Broc. Peace out.